7960 Anaheim Mountain. I feel like the shutters... Oh, you know what? It just rained. So I'm not quite sure what kind of discoloration that I'm looking at. Yeah. We're really close to a park and a fire station. No sidewalks, but there appears to be street parking. So it looks like we have laminate. Yep, looks like laminate. Raised panel doors. I'll just head into the garage here. Ooh, okay. Floors are nice. Earthquake straps. Genie. Okay. These are the correct blinds. This one's broken. Let's just head to the backyard. Nice high baseboards. Walls are grayish. Great backyard. It's great because you have this usable space, this for pets. The AC looks new, or at least. Pavers all the way down the side, so very usable space. Plus, I like the walls versus the vinyl fences. Okay. Beautiful quartz counters. A little bit older dishwasher. But yeah, the stove's a little yellowy too. We'll get the property manager opinion on that. It would be nice if there were cabinet pulls. The property manager may recommend that. But we do have an undermount sink. Probably need a gooseneck. Okay, let's head over here. Honeywell thermostat, matching hardware. The floor continues into this 3/4 bath. Cabinets look like they were done well. Low maintenance shower, not a lot of caulking. Towel bars there. Ooh, a bed down. I love bed down. Need closet door guides. Those are the correct blinds, flooring, baseboards, paint, all looks great. I feel like it really appeals to a lot of people to have a bed down. But the people who need it really need it, and they're hard to find. Carpet looks good. So does the handrail, the banister. Great size loft. Didn't expect it in this house. Nice size master as well. Everything looks good. I think this is laminate. It's definitely not tile. Carpet looks good. Beautiful sinks. Cabinets look good. Lots of mirrors. $65 to replace that. I would definitely do that. Blinds look good. There's solar screens on the outside, so those blinds should last. Step down, step up to the next bath. These are staying, so you don't have to worry about the shower rods taking off. We have solar screens on the other side as well. Cabinet looks good. Okay. Love the raised panel doors and matching hardware. So this side of the house gets a lot of sun. There we go. We do have closet door guides here. Carpet looks good. Okay. I like the laundry upstairs in its own dedicated room. We have a pan, that's great. Okay. Property manager will tell us if we need something here and there. But it's not the master, everything looks good. Very impressive.